This aircraft has two independent hydraulic systems, left and right. The left system powers the left thrust reverser, the inboard flight spoilers, and the elevators. The right system powers the right thrust reverser, the landing gear, the air steers, outboard flight spoilers, and the rudder. Both systems are used for the flaps, the brake anti-skid system, nose gear steering, ground spoilers, and the slats. Each system is driven by its own pump located in the engine. The right system is unique because it is equipped with an added auxiliary pump. This pump is capable of providing continuous hydraulic pressure at 3,000 psi. Both systems also share a transfer pump that can provide pressure to either system. Although this forms a link between left and right hydraulic systems, no fluid is moved from one side to the other. The hydraulic pumps are controlled via switches on the first officer's panel. The top switches are the engine hydraulic pump control switches. These control the hydraulic pumps for the left and right engine, respectively. Each switch has a high, low, and off setting. In the high setting, the pump will operate at 3,000 psi. In the low setting, the engine pump will operate at 1,500 psi. In the off position, there is no pressure output, although the fluid continues to circulate for cooling and lubrication. To the lower left, we have the transfer pump switch. This pump can pressurize either hydraulic system as long as there is an acceptable amount of fluid available in the low-pressure system and the opposite system is fully pressurized. In other words, if one side is not pressurized, the other side can provide pressurization through the transfer pump. Next to the transfer pump switch, we have the auxiliary pump switch. The on position will activate the auxiliary pump and off shuts it down. The override position bypasses the overheating protection of this pump and allows it to operate without overheating protection. The override position is spring-loaded and the switch will turn off when released. The transfer and auxiliary pumps are typically used during taxi and through the taxi-off stages of the flight.